Hello everyone. Today we will be talking about electromagnets. Electromagnet is a temporary magnet which is formed by putting a soft iron core inside a solenoid. And what is a solenoid? Solenoid is a long wire in a form of helix. Okay, so this is a solenoid, and inside this solenoid, if we just put a soft iron core, okay, so this is a soft iron core, any ferromagnetic substance we can take. So a soft iron core inside this helical structure of the solenoid. So here we have this as the solenoid. A solenoid is a long wire with number of turns in helical structure. So this is a solenoid. Inside the solenoid we have just inserted a soft iron core, and the end of the solenoid is connected to a battery. When the current will start flowing through this conductor through the end of the solenoid, then it will behave as a magnet. It will start behaving as a magnet, and this whole structure is known as an electromagnet. We all know that when a current is passed through a conductor, it starts behaving as a magnet. And also we know that a magnet is having a very important property to attract any magnetic substance. For example, iron, nickel, cobalt, etc. So do all the current carrying conductor also becomes a magnet? Let's find out with this activity. For this activity I need some materials like this iron nail, a battery, sandpaper, some copper wire and some pins. What the very first thing we have to do is that first, with the help of this copper wire, I have to just make a helix structure. Okay, in order to make this a solenoid, I'll be using this copper wire which will be wrapped around this iron nail. Iron nail will be serving as the core of the solenoid. Okay, inside the solenoid I will be putting this iron nail, so soft iron core. First of all, let us wrap this copper wire around this iron nail in this manner. There shouldn't be much distance in between the turnings, okay? And also we know that the strength of the electromagnet depends upon the number of turnings of the wire. So if there will be more turning, it will be working as a strong electromagnet. It depends upon the number of turnings that we are making. So here I am done with my electromagnet. So my electromagnet is ready. So we have seen in this activity that the electromagnet which I have constructed, it was capable to attract the iron pins, which was a magnetic substance. And the magnetic effect could be seen as long as the current was passing through the copper wire. But as soon as the current was switched off, it loses its magnetism. So we can conclude that an electromagnet is a temporary magnet. But instead of iron core, if we use a steel core, then it will become a permanent magnet. So this is a very important thing which should be noted. In order to make a simple electromagnet, we use a helical shape of copper wire and a soft iron core which behaves as a temporary magnet. An electromagnet has got several uses also. A crane which is used to lift heavy weights uses a strong electromagnet. This electromagnet is also used in various electromechanical devices such as motor, generator, transformer, etc. That's all about this electromagnet. We discussed about the structural detail of the magnet, uses and properties of an electromagnet. See you all in the next video with another topic. Thank you.